Let's discuss 22nd question in exercise 15.1. Dice are thrown once, find the probability of getting. Here we have two dice. First die consists of 6 numbers. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Second die consists of 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have two dice. Thrown at a time. Suppose first die shows 1, second die shows 1. So possibility is 1, 1. Next, suppose first die shows 1, second die shows 2. 1, 2. First die shows 1, second one 3. 1, 3. Like that. 1, it shows 4. 1, 4. So possibilities are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Suppose first die shows 2, second die shows 1. So possibilities 2, 1. It means 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Suppose first die shows 3, second die shows 1. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, up to 3, 6. Same way. These are the possible events. Total events. Total number of events equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows, 6 columns. 6 into 6, 36. Total number of events are 36. See, first question. Here given event sum on 2 dice. 2. Given that to get the sum as 2. So probability of getting sum as 2 equal to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes, sum 2. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Here we want sum is 2. Only one favorable outcome. 1 plus 1 is only 1. 1 by total events. Total events are 36. 1 by 36. See answer, 1 by 36. Okay. In same way 3. Probability of getting sum as 3. 1 plus 1, 2. But here we want 3. Sum is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. Next row, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2, 4. But here we want only sum is 3. So, 2 possibilities. Favorable outcomes are 2. They are 1, 2 and 2, 1. So, favorable outcomes are 2. 2 by total outcomes are 36. 2 by 36. Next one. Probability of getting sum as 4. 4. See, 1 comma 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. It is more than 4. So here we want only 4. Next one. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. But here we want only 4. Next row. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next row 4 plus 1 is 5. So only here we have 3 possibilities. 3 favorable outcomes. 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 1. So 3 by total outcomes are 36. Next. Probability of sum as 3. Getting sum as 5. Getting sum as 5. 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 possibility. Next 1 plus 5 is 6. Next row 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. But here we want only 5. Next one 3 plus 2 is 5. Next row 4 plus 1 is 5. See, favorable outcomes are 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 1. Total 4 favorable outcomes. Probability of getting sum as 5 equal to 4 by 36. In same way, probability of 6. Probability of getting sum as 6. 1 comma 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Next row 2 plus 4 is 6. Next row 3 plus 3 6. Next row 4 plus 2 6. Next 5 plus 1 6. Next row 6 plus 1 is 7. But here we want only 6. Sum is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So favorable outcomes are 5 by 36. Next one. Probability of getting sum as 7. 6 plus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Next row 2 plus 5 is 7. Next row 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3. 5 plus 2. 6 plus 1. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 36. Next, probability of getting sum as 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Second row 2 plus 6 is 8. 1. 3 plus 5 8. Next row 4 plus 4. Next row 5 plus 3. Next 6 plus 2. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 36. Next. Probability of getting sum as 9. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 9. 5 plus 4 9. 6 plus 3 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 favorable outcomes. By total events are 36. Next, probability of getting sum as 10. 4 plus 6 10. 5 plus 5 10. 6 plus 4 10. Total 3. Favorable outcomes are 3 by total 36. Next, probability of getting sum as 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 2. 2 by 36. Next one, probability of getting sum as 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. Only 1. 1 favorable outcome by 36. See, this is the time taken process. See, shortcut sum 2. 2 case only we get 1 favorable outcome. 3 case, sum as 3 case, we get 2. 4, we get favorable outcomes are 3. 5, 4. 6, 5. 7, 6. 8. Reverse, decreasing the values. 5, 9. Sorry, 9. 9 case. 4. 4. Next, 3, 2, 1. Here shortcut is 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, write reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By total number of events, 36. This is the shortcut. First write 1 to 6 numbers, then write reverse order. After 6, 7, but there is no 7 in dice, so write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reverse order, decreasing order. Okay, 1 to 6, next 6 to 1.